Homies, we got some good news and we got some bad news about Uniswap. We're also going to check out the sentiment of the entire crypto market. All that and more in this video. So without further ado, make sure you guys smack that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest and greatest from your host, the Crypto Homie. So diving right into the charts, you guys see the Uni chart. Whoa, you guys see this right here? We're above $3.20. Right there is some major support. Hopefully we can hold that. As you can see, the candle has 7 hours and 8 minutes left, so we shall see. Hopefully we can hold it and go from there. But later in this video, we will see a not so good news about Uni. But right now, just looking at this, it looks good. Every time we were above $3.20, that means we should be bouncing up. Obviously, we fell through here, came up, then fell back down. Hopefully this time, we'll come back up, because if we zoom in here, you can say that this is a low. You call this a higher low. Hopefully we're going to make it a higher high here, getting above $3.65 from in this region. So if we can get up there, that will be good. And I don't know if the homies out there have seen, UMA has made a massive move in the last 24 hours, up 26%. Look at that daily candle right there. It was at around $7.37 all the way up to around $9.40. Just in one day. That's pretty cool. Up 7% the last 24 hours. Do you guys hold some of this? Because this massive pump on October 20th, from October 8th to October 9th, you guys see was down like $5.80, pumped all the way to $12.72. That's some crazy gains right there. If you were able to get that pump and sell and get out, that's what's up. But I mean, even if you bought here now and sell here, you're still making some decent gains. I mean, it's up, like I said, 26% in the last 24 hours. And just quick, good old look at Bitcoins. You guys see Bitcoin's making a little move too. It's at $11,474. It's nice to see that candle go up. Hopefully, I mean, we're ending the weekly right here. We're ending the weekly real soon. So we shall see what happens. As you guys can see, the weekly candle, it's looking green. It's looking green. Hopefully we can, if the body would get a little bit bigger, that would be great. But at the end of the day, it's still green. It's still looking good. So that is what's up. But here, guys, we got this article. It says, trader claims Uniswap's Uni will plunge to $2 prior to platform V3 launch. So this trader is claiming that Uniswap, before they launch version 3, it's going to go to $2 or below. Whoa, we got to dive into this. So, guys, I read this entire article. To sum it up, he's just basically saying that V3, before it happens, Uni's going to drop. And he's calling out these things like with the OKEX, with the Kucoin hack, that it wasn't really a catalyst, because you would think hacks of centralized exchanges, people getting arrested from a centralized exchange, you would think that this would boost the Uni price, because it's Uni is part of the Uniswap, which is a decentralized platform where there's no arrest. But the whole Bitfinex thing actually gave some FUD to it, because with with BitMEX, the CFTC was going after the the owners and everybody that owned it. So the problem with that is that they could go after the developers of Uniswap. They could go after the owners, the creators of Uniswap, and arrest them. And then yes, the DEX would still be out there. They can't shut it down, but there's nobody to be working on it. There's no one to make it a better DEX. So that would cause problems. So that also caused some FUD. But I mean, I honestly thought with OKX founder, being in trouble, and with the KuCoin hack, that you'd have seen much bigger moves in the Uniswap token. I thought it would have pumped a little higher, just because it is decentralized and there's no one can really shut it down. But there are those there's ways that they can kind of force it to shut down, but not fully. So this guy right here, the analyst is Mac and BTC on Twitter. He says, Uni, I'm shorting everything above $3.20. And he said, Alpha Leak expecting Wi-Fi to change strategy from Curve to Uni long before Uni V3 launch. So he says anything below a $3.20 Uni, he is shorting, which we got to get off the weekly. So he says anything below this level, he is anything above this level, he's shorting. So that's interesting. We shall see. I guess he expected to go down pretty low. I mean, if we saw a sub $2 Uni, I mean, even a dollar Uni, I don't know about you, homies, that would be a great buy. I'm definitely buying at $1. I think somebody in the comments before called it a dollar Uni. That would be so cool to see. Obviously, if you're holding, you're probably freaking out right now. But hey, you got to put on your big boy, big girl pants and take responsibility for your investments. But yeah, that's basically what he's saying. And I got that tweet from the Twitters. And here's a chart just more zoomed in. He has it going down. I mean, $2.11 Uni. So we shall see what happens, my homies. We shall see what happens. What do you guys think? You think Uni's going to drop way before V3 launch? I mean, it would be a great buying opportunity because when it does launch, I mean, massive gains will be made. Massive, massive gains. So what do you guys think about that? And guys, of course, we've got to check out the entire sentiment of crypto. So we're at a 55 for now. Yesterday was 56. Last week was 55. Last month was 49. If you guys remember, we were down, pretty far. Like back in September, we're down like 38. We needed to hold that because, as you can see, there's a lot of resistance and support like right there. But hey, we're slowly working our way up. That's good because right where we're at, it's kind of common. You see, we've held stuff here like before. If you look left, so we'll play here a little bit and see what happens. We don't want to get too greedy too fast because that means prices will come right back down. But it's you look at the last 3 months. You had that massive dump in September. So now we're slowly working our way back up. It's good to see it slowly and surely. Not like we don't want to see a massive spike to the upside because that would not be good. That like this right here, it stabilizes for like a little bit, but we're coming right back down. So I'd rather see this slow momentum, as you guys can see in here, just slowly creep our way up and go from there. Guys, there was this tweet I saw on Twitter by Charles Edwards. He says, you can choose between a currency that deflates and increases your wealth, like Bitcoin, or one with inflates and destroys your wealth. This number will get a lot smaller. And it's just comparing, this is for the average person. I think this will help the average person understand the value proposition of Bitcoin. In 2010, the iPhone 4 cost about 8,557 Bitcoin. 2020, the iPhone 12 cost 0.07 Bitcoin. I don't know, guys. Does this show you the value that Bitcoin has from pretty much a whole decade away? I mean, a decade ago, you needed almost 9,000 Bitcoin to buy an iPhone. Now, you need 0.07. I feel like that's something that somebody hears, but it's hard for them to actually fully comprehend. Like, that's just, it's kind of crazy to think about. Like, you need such a small amount of Bitcoin now, but obviously the dollar amount of like a Bitcoin, like 0.07 Bitcoin is worth the same pretty much as back here with like 9,000 Bitcoin USD wise. But obviously Bitcoin's Bitcoin, keep stacking those Satoshis. At the end of the day, these institutions are coming here. They're going to be flooding the market. They're going to be FOMOing in, buying more and more those good old Satoshis. But they're actually buying full Bitcoins and multiple Bitcoins. You see like Square just dropped 50 million the other week. I would not be surprised to see them drop even more and more into Bitcoin. So what do you guys think about this analogy? You think this will help the average Joe that's not into Bitcoin understand it? Or you think this is just too confusing? They just want to go buy the newest iPhone and spend, $1,000 on the latest and greatest crap, basically, like materialistic like items that's not going to serve them, only serving the people that are selling them. Let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, guys, so like with Uni right now, we are looking pretty good, holding that 320. I like to see us hold that 320 and make higher highs. But hey, that article with the analyst says that we're going sub $2, around $2. I don't know. We shall see what happens. Obviously, that would be a great buy. Let me know what you guys think down below. And what do you guys think of the fear and greed index? We're slowly working our way up. What do you guys think about that? As always, this is not financial advice, pure education, entertainment only. If you guys like this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more content. Because the Crypto Homie, signing out.